Children, in the previous class, we saw The Merchant of Venice, Act 3, Scene 2, where Nerissa and Graciano wanted to get married when Bassanio and Portia got married. And Bassanio told Graciano that he'll be glad if he get a wife to marry, and Graciano answers him. Open your text to Act 3, Scene 2. I thank your lordship, you have got me one. Graciano says, I thank your lordship. Thank you, my lord. You have got me one. Thank you, my lord. Thank you for your lordship means you are so responsible to do so, and you have got one for me too. My eyes, my lord, can look as swift as yours. Swift means very fast. So he says that, Graciano says, my lord, how your eyes are very fast to look around, as much fast mine eyes too. I also can see such a fast. I can also look as swift as you can. So what he wants to say, he is praising Bassanio's reaction. So, being with you, I also have got. You saw the mistress. My lord, you saw the mistress of this mansion. I beheld the maid. Maid means servant. So, he says, my lord, you have got the mistress of this mansion. I have got the maid of this mansion. You loved, I loved. For intermission and not wasting time, and you loved and I also loved the other. When you loved the mistress, I loved the maid. No more pertain to me, my lord, than you. Your fortune stood up on the caskets there. As nothing was different from what you were having. The same thing I also had. Because your fortune depended on the casket which you chose. And the same, if you have not chosen the right casket, mine also may not be done. As you have chosen the right casket, my fortune also I received. I have got the good fortune. So, and so did mine too, as the matter falls. For wooing here until I sweat again. That means he also had a hard, that means he also went through some hardship to get Portia. I sweat again. Wooing means to express my love act, and swearing till my very roof was dry. What do you mean by my very roof? How a person will have a roof? Yes, we say the upper part of our mouth is the roof of our mouth. So, until my upper part of my mouth becomes dry. What do you mean? He was so, when you are worried or when you have some tension or fear or nervous, where you feel that your mouth becomes dry. That is a biological fact. But here, what he says that he also had the hard time to accept the love of Nerissa. How much you had the hard time to choose the right casket and you were finding it as a fight, the same manner I also went through. So easily I didn't get. That's what Graciano wants to say. With oaths of love, so much promises. At last, I promise last. At last means until it goes. I got a promise of this fair one here. So he is confirming and confessing before Bassanio and the lady Portia that this fair one, whom he is referring, Nerissa, to her love, provided that your fortune achieved her mistress. It is provided that if you have got mistress, I'll get the maid. So this was the promise between Nerissa and Graciano. So both of them got it. And Portia, listening Graciano's words, and immediately she asked Nerissa, that means till then both of them, Portia and Bassanio, did not have any idea, as the readers did not have any idea about their love. So Portia is so happy and with questions she asks, is this true, Nerissa? And Nerissa, madam, it is, yes ma'am, it is true. So you stand pleased with it. If you pleased of this, I also get married. Bassanio asking Graciano, and do you, Graciano, mean good faith? He is asking Bassanio that, Graciano, Bassanio is asking Graciano, and do you, Graciano, speak sincerely and intend to be true to this word? Graciano says, yes, faith, my lord. Indeed, I do, my lord. With faith, I say. So Bassanio says, our feast shall be much honored in your marriage. So Bassanio feels so happy. He says that our wedding feast will be much honored. So have your wedding at the same time. So he is so happy and he is glad to hear that Nerissa and Graciano is also going to get married on that same time. So Graciano, he is telling to Nerissa with happy and also with a good mood. He speaks something indifferent. We will play with them, the first boy, for 1,000 ducats. So he is so happy and he wants to have a bet with his lord Bassanio. What he says? For 1,000 ducats, he wants to have a stake over there. Bet. We'll keep 1,000 rupees. For 1,000 rupees, we say that who will get the first child. So we will get the first son before you get a child. That means both of them are getting in the same day, getting married in the same day. So we will have our issue or our son first. So Nerissa, what? And stake down. It's good. Stake down. Take a bet with your lord. Then Graciano goes down. He says, no, we shall never win at that sport because it is not in our hand. We cannot win in this sport of having son before them and all this. The game cannot go. So on stake down. But who comes here? That same time, we are being diverted to other part. So this good news are going on there, and the joy is added with the joy of Portia and Bassanio marriage is added with the joy of Graciano and Nerissa's marriage. And that time, Graciano, when he happily is talking with Nerissa, he is diverting our attention to somewhere. What is that? But who comes here? See there, someone is coming. And he says, yes, someone is coming. And Lorenzo, who is coming there? Lorenzo is coming. And he says, Lorenzo and his infidel. Infidel means unbeliever, non-Christian, if you say. So we all know that. We have learned it in the other act that Lorenzo eloped with Jessica, and Lorenzo is a Christian, Jessica is a non-Christian. So he says that Lorenzo and his infidel. Infidel means non-Christian and unbeliever. So Lorenzo, along with whom comes there? Who comes there? Jessica. What? And my Lord Venetian friend Salario? And he is having a question along with these two. Someone else is coming. Who is that? My old friend, Venetian friend Salario. So when this happy and joyful talk is going on, there these three people are entering. Lorenzo, Jessica and Salario. They are coming from Venice. So we'll stop here and we'll continue what happened, and we'll see that what message these three people are bringing.